Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Mesa De Billar is probably one of the most exciting additions you can make to your home entertainment space, offering countless hours of fun and friendly competition for family and friends alike, transforming any room into a personal game room where memories are made and skills are honed. Number 5. Best Choice Products 2x4 feet 10 in 1 game table set. Get ready for hours of entertainment with this incredible game table. It offers 10 different ways to play, ensuring fun for the whole family and all your friends. Enjoy a variety of classic games all in one convenient place. From hockey and foosball to pool and ping pong, there's a game for every mood and every player. Don't worry about limited space. This game table features a smart, stackable design, making it perfect for bedrooms or smaller game rooms. Play with confidence thanks to its stable build. Strong legs and non-slip footing keep it steady, so you can focus on the game. Unbox and start playing right away. This set comes complete with over 50 accessories, providing everything you need for immediate fun. This versatile table offers a multitude of gaming options in a compact size. It's the ideal centerpiece for your home entertainment. What we like. If you're looking for endless entertainment options in a single unit, this is the one. It offers a wide variety of games, making it perfect for families with diverse interests. Its space-saving design means you can enjoy multiple games without dedicating a large area to them. What people say. The felt is of good quality and the balls roll smoothly. The table is sturdy and doesn't wobble during play. Assembly was straightforward and took about an hour. Number 4. Best Choice Products Foosball Table. Get ready for endless fun with this competition-sized foosball table. It's perfect for game rooms, arcades, or any entertainment space, bringing the excitement of the game to you. Take control with comfortable, ergonomic handles designed for superior ball handling. The smooth surface ensures effortless sliding, helping you score that game-winning goal. Crafted from sturdy composite wood and chrome-finished steel rods, this table is built for long-lasting, high-quality fun. Enjoy countless matches with its durable construction. Experience more professional gameplay with realistic molded plastic figurines. Their smooth curves are designed for enhanced ball control, elevating your game. Enjoy the game at a comfortable waist-high level, perfect for easy viewing. Plus, built-in cup holders keep your drinks within reach for mid-game hydration. This 48-inch foosball table is the ultimate addition to your game room. It includes everything you need for exciting matches, making it ideal for both kids and adults. What we like. For those who love the thrill of foosball, this table delivers an authentic experience. Its sturdy build and comfortable handles ensure long-lasting fun and better control. If you're aiming for that game-winning goal and want a classic arcade feel at home, this is your best bet. What people say. The felt is of good quality and the balls roll smoothly. The table is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable playing surface. Assembly was straightforward and took about an hour with 2 people. Number 3. GoSports 6, 7, or 8-foot billiards tables. Get ready for instant fun. This billiards table comes fully assembled, so you can start playing right out of the box. Just unfold the legs and let the games begin. Personalize your game room with a variety of color options. Make it match your style and elevate your space with this stylish addition. Everything you need for a great game is included. You'll receive a full set of regulation balls, 2 cue sticks, chalk, and a felt brush to keep it in top condition. Enjoy competitive play with its great mid-size dimensions. It's perfect for game rooms, apartments, or offices, offering a fantastic gaming experience without taking up too much space. Experience smooth gameplay thanks to its premium felt surface. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures it stays sturdy for countless games to come. This table is ideal for game rooms, apartments, and offices. It's a fantastic alternative for those who prefer not to deal with a full-size table but still want an authentic pool experience. What we like. If you want to start playing pool immediately without any hassle, this table is ideal. Its instant setup and portable nature make it perfect for apartments or smaller game rooms. You get a sturdy, well-built table ready for competitive games right out of the box. What people say. This is a great table, the felt is smooth and the pockets are deep. The table is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to assemble and looks great in my game room. I love playing on this table. The ball rolls true and the surface is very responsive. Number 2. Hathaway Fairmont 6 feet folding pool table. Introducing the Hathaway Fairmont folding pool table, the perfect addition for family fun and home entertainment. Enjoy classic billiards without sacrificing space. Its compact 6-foot design fits seamlessly into any room, measuring 76 inches long. This portable table provides great gameplay without taking up permanent floor space, ideal for space-conscious homes. We recommend approximately 12 by 10 feet of room clearance for comfortable play with the included 57-inch cues. It's perfect for rec rooms, basements, garages, apartments, and condos. Setting it up is a breeze, just unfold the legs and start playing. When not in use, it folds down to a slim 4.3 inches for easy upright storage in closets or corners. The adjustable steel leg levelers ensure a stable and level playing surface, whether you have carpet, tile, or hardwood floors. Enjoy consistent gameplay every time. Experience tournament-level play with fast-action cushions and mesh pockets for smooth ball rebound. The True Roll blended wool felt surface guarantees reliable shot response and consistent ball roll. This table comes complete with a full set of billiard balls, cues, chalk, a triangle, and a carrying bag. Everything you need to start playing right away is included. What we like. For those with limited space who don't want to compromise on gameplay, this folding table is a fantastic choice. It offers a true billiard experience and folds away compactly for easy storage. If you need a quality pool table that fits into a condo or smaller home, consider this option. What people say. The felt on this table is of excellent quality, providing a smooth and consistent roll for the billiard balls. The construction of the table is very sturdy, and it feels solid and well-built, which is important for a good playing experience. The playing surface is perfectly level, ensuring fair play and accurate shots without any noticeable dips or bumps. Number 1. SereneLife 48 Multi-Game Table. Introducing the SereneLife 48-inch multi-game table, your ultimate source for indoor and outdoor entertainment. It's designed to bring families and friends together for hours of competitive fun. Enjoy endless entertainment with 4 classic games: ping pong, soccer, foosball, billiard, pool, and air hockey. This versatile table guarantees that game nights will never be boring. Switching between games is a breeze. Simply change the board and assemble the necessary accessories, and you're ready to play your favorite sport in minutes. Perfect for both kids and adults, this sturdy and durable table is suitable for players of all skill levels. Its adjustable height ensures comfort for everyone, making it a great addition to any home. Get straight into the action with all the necessary accessories included. From pool cues and billiard balls to ping pong paddles and foosball, everything you need is right in the box. Whether you're looking for indoor family fun or outdoor entertainment, this game table is built to withstand it all. It's the perfect centerpiece for any gathering. What we like. If you desire versatility and the ability to switch between popular games quickly, this multi-game table is for you. Its adjustable height makes it suitable for all ages, and the option for indoor or outdoor use adds to its appeal. It's a great all-rounder for family fun in various settings. What people say. The felt is of good quality and the balls roll smoothly. The table is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable playing surface. Assembly was straightforward and the instructions were clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.